There are various ways to edit a description. In this video, we will be adding text to the end of the description. To edit your descriptions, click on Description from the app's dashboard, or select Description from the app's menu. I will edit descriptions for products in my watches collection, so I will target this collection when creating a filter condition. Click on Preview Matched Products. The preview screen shows that each product has a different description. Select Add Text to the end of the description. The text I want to add is in a document file. I will copy it and then paste it into the input field in the app. I will turn on the Rich Text Editor so that I can style and format the text. To turn on the editor, click on the icon located at the top right corner. If I paste this text without turning it on, I cannot add any styles or format the text. When the Rich Text Editor is turned on, you will see the toolbar at the top. Once it's turned on, I will paste the text and I can now style and format it. I will make certain parts of the text bold and also use underline and change the color of some of the text that I want to highlight. I can also add a new paragraph by placing text on a different line. Click on Start Bulk Editing Now. When the task is completed, you will see a Revert button next to the task. Clicking on this button will revert all edits made. You can do this with any task. To see a list of tasks, click on Bulk Edit Tasks from the app's menu. If you click on the Details button, you will see the edits made in this task. The old data column shows the description each product had before the edits were made. The new data column shows the description, which includes the one that was just added. When I reload one of the product pages that was edited, the description I just added is displayed at the end of the description. When you're adding text that has HTML tags, you should not turn on the Rich Text Editor. This is because when the text is already formatted, there's no need to style it using the Rich Text Editor. This text uses paragraph and span tags. If I toggle the Rich Text Editor on and off, it might add or edit the HTML tags. After toggling it on and then off, the strong tag has been added. I will delete it and paste the text with the document file again. Sometimes the HTML tags added by the Rich Text Editor will not have an effect on how the text is displayed. However, depending on which tags you are using, toggling the editor on and off might edit the HTML tags in a way that would affect formatting. So if you're adding text that you need to style, turn on the Rich Text Editor. If you're adding text that has HTML tags, do not turn on the editor. When I check the task's details, it shows that the HTML tags are identical to the text in the document. When I reload the product page that was edited, it shows the description that I added. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any questions.